Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. So I kind of went with a soft glam look today. This is what it looks like. So if you're interested on this look and learning about how I did it, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I do is prime my face, and I'm using the Pore Blem primer. I have really dry skin, so for me this is like the best primer. It actually beats the Smashbox for me on my hand, and then I just dab it. So now that I primed my face, I'm going to take a concealer. So the one I'm using today is the Tarte in the shade Light Medium. Under the eyes, right here, the bridge of my nose, right there, and then I also do my eyes because I want the under eye to blend in the lower eye. Then I take a sponge and then I just dab it everywhere. Okay, so we got that, and then I just take whatever is left over just so that it kind of blends better. I'm taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 2W2, which is Rattan. Grab a flat brush like this. I have to clean my brushes, excuse them, they're dirty. And just kind of dab everywhere, like that. And then I go in with a flat brush like this. And I start from the top, and I kind of like go in circle motions like this. Also get your neck. I went in with the brush. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and just blend it some more. Okay, now that we are done with that, I'm going to be taking the Laritzy Cosmetics stick in the shade Aloha. What I like to do is I like to grab a, can you see, like a slanted brush, and I'll just take some on my brush and then apply it where I want my contours, so in little dots. And I kind of like to curve it up like that, so that it gives my cheeks like a lifted look. Top, right there, oops. Double chin, oops. I'm gonna go in with the clean side of the beauty blender and tap it into place like that. Side. Same thing with the forehead. Gotta get the forehead. So this is what the face is looking like so far. Now we're gonna go set the face. So I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Un poquito nada más. And then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush like this, kind of swirl it in, tap off the excess because you don't want it on your shirt. And I just kind of dab it all over, and then I go in circular motions. The foundation and everything, but as you can see, the contour kind of went away. So we're gonna go bring it back with the, look how damaged this is, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Light to Medium. And I'm going to take a small rounded brush like this. This is also by Morphe. This is the M437. And I'm going to be taking the shade right here. Start at the corner. You never want to start here. Start at the corner. And kind of just go like this and do the motion that you want. Go light-handed because you can always build, but you can never really remove. The corner and work your way. Here we go, we're bringing our face back to life because we don't want to look like those big zombies. So you're just putting it everywhere where you put your cream contour. Okay, when I'm done with that, I take my big fluffy brush again, and with whatever is left over, same thing, circular motions. All right, so now that I did the contour, I still kind of look ghostly, so I'm gonna be taking the Hoola bronzer. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a rounded, fluffy brush like this, dip it in, tap off excess, you already know the drill. Then grab it at the tip so that you don't have as much control, and just kind of like feather it on. You want to go very light-handed because you do not want to look like a clown. And just do the corners. I'm gonna go in with a blush. I'm gonna be taking a pinkish blush, and this is by MAC, and this is the Sun Bask. I'm gonna be taking an angled brush like this. You just dip it in, tap off excess. Let your cheeks droop so that you don't put too much when they're lifted, so let them droop. And kind of go right on top of where you put your contour. Just a little, because I like to, you know, look like I have blood flow. The most important thing, your highlight, girl, because you want your skin to look like bam, like it's beaming. So I'm going in with the Stila. Stila is my favorite highlight, and this is in the shade Brilliant. So how I do my makeup is I like to match my my eyes with my highlight, and then the lip I'll do like a different color. The lip and the blush I do a different color. So for example, my eyes are gonna be like a goldish look today, so I'm gonna do a golden highlight, and then my lips are gonna be pink, so I'm gonna do a pink blush. Going with the fan brush because I don't like a harsh highlight. That's just my opinion. Just take a little, you want it to look soft, and then just sprinkle that on. Maybe right here you'll see it. And then I like to do it above my lip. Okay, so now I like to set my face with the Urban Decay This Slick Makeup Setting Spray, and I go pretty far. My beauty blender and dab it on some more, and now look, my face is back to life. Okay, so now that we have done that, we are going to start the eyes. So what I like to do is take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown, and I'll take the spoolie and I'll just go over my eyebrows real fast. So I'll just draw them on. I start at the tail. I kind of just do like light strokes. Okay, and then for the tip, I'll just lightly, again grabbing it by the end, I'll just lightly create the little line just to make it look sharp. Slowly draw some lines. So as you can tell, I didn't fully fill it in, and that is because I'm going to take the spoolie and just blend it. I'm going to move on to the other eyebrow. So again, you want to make your eyebrows look like sisters, not twins, but all sisters. Go in with a nude eyeliner and then a dark eyeliner. So I'm going to do the nude eyeliner on the bottom, and this is just to make my eyes look bigger, and compared to this side looks a little bit bigger. I'm going to take the black one and I'm going to line the upper lid. This is just to make my eyelashes look fuller. Going to line my upper lid. All right, so I'm taking the NYX liner. This is what it looks like. All right, so now I lined my top of my eyelid. I'm going to start the eyeshadow. For my eye look, like I said, I'm gonna be doing like a golden kind of vibe up there. So I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to set it with the, oh sorry, my palette is dirty too, with the third color right here. Hold it at the end so you don't have a lot of control, because if you have a lot of control, then it's gonna be harsh. So if you want a dark color, then you can hold it here, but again, I want it light, so I'm gonna start here, and then start at the edge and kind of windshield wiper it like this. Anything. Now I am going to take a domed brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with this like mustard colored, so it's on the second row, and it's the 1, 2, 3, the fourth one in the second, so it kind of has like a mustardy color. Tap off excess, and I'm gonna focus that on the corner right here, and I'm gonna stop it right where my pupil ends, so right there. I'm not gonna bring it any closer. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Some people look really good with dark colors in the inside. It's not me. And I'm gonna go back with that big fluffy brush and kind of just blend those two shades together. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna take one side of the brush so I can use the other side. And I'm going to put it all over my lid. Take the brush again and blend everything. All right. Now I'm gonna go in with the new nude palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going to take this second color right here. It's like that gold color, it's called Crave. I'm going to take the other side of the brush, and this is kind of like it's like a pressed glitter. So yeah, and then I'm going to put it right in the middle, and then bring the leftover to the inner corner. And same thing. Again, fluffy brush, and blend all that. And now I'm going to be using the Lashaholics Luxury Lashes. This is what it looks like, and I can never do it on camera, so I'm gonna pop these on. Okay, so I popped them on, and what I like to do now, take a normal mascara just so that I can get the inner corners right here. Like you see how there's like some spots right there. I'm gonna get the inner corners and then do my bottom lashes. Do a light layer. Okay, 2 pencils later, finally found one that is not crappy. So this is by Maybelline New York, and it is 125 Magnetic Mauve. All right, and now I'm just going to line my lips. Color the center. Color the center like that. And now I'm gonna go in with a lippy. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Striped. And I'm just gonna be placing that right on top. And just line it. Okay, now this is dry, so I'm gonna go in with the best lip gloss ever. This is by Fenty Beauty in the color color Fussy. And there we go. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any suggested videos. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and you guys stay safe. All right, bye.